welcome to the channel. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to see if we can get this running before we take the engine out. So let's crack on with it. Let's get the bonnet off. There's a little knack to this, so let's have a look. Lightweight. So what we're going to do today is we're going to attempt to get this running, and what we're going to do then is after we've had it running, it's going to be a time this is going to come out because all the engine bay is going to get repainted as well. Stay tuned. Thermostat housing off first because I know the thermostat is stuck shut and obviously it overheats. So we're going to get that off and then we're going to give it a try without the thermostat in. Let's go for it. Ah, shit. Also, don't forget, try not to drop your nuts down in the engine bay. This may make a mess. Go a bit further out. We can go a bit further out. Because, oh, okay. It's a bit wet. Jesus Christ. Okay. Time for hammer. Surprisingly, they come off nice and easy, which is shocking on an old car like this. Oh. But what we're going to do is we're going to need to try getting that off so we can get the thermostat that's inside out because it's stuck shut, and then it shouldn't overheat. So, and onto that. Give it a bit of a tap. Oh, it's coming. Just a tip for anyone, if you've got a garage, do this in a garage, not on the side of the road like me. Oh, it does not want to come off.
That's what she said.
There we go. It's a bit more loose now. Let's get these washers out. Get out! Oh. Just a little persuasion. Not too much. There we go. Good thing is with this car, that's an alternator. Oh. Oh. That's not good. Someone's already taken the thermostat out. So, it's overheating for another reason. And that is why the engine's got to come out, because we've got to investigate why she was overheating to start with.
Roosevelt, what's the weather like out there? It's hot. Damn hot. Real hot. Hadn't this is my shorts. I can cook things in it. Little crotch pot cooking. Well, can you tell me?
So, thermostat out. There's no thermostat in there, but water's blockaged. There's a blockage. So, right, onto the. Right, what I'm going to do, we're going to try jumping it. We have a little jump pack. To be honest with you, best thing you ever can buy. Not very expensive, but you don't need jump leads and all that for the battery's dead. So, what we're going to do, we're going to come around, connect it up, and then give it a go of jumping. So we're going to climb in. Fuck. Oh, Jesus. Connect her up. Like so. And then we'll try starting it. So we'll turn that on. It's on. That's now on. So we should get power to the battery. Shut up. We've got fuel pump. Okay. Nope. Right. So, what we're going to do is have a bit of choke and then try. Oh. Joys of having a classic car. Obviously the choke is not on. So we'll hook that up to there for a minute so it's on. So we've got choke. Give it another boost. Right. Oh. Right, that's now on. Right. Give it a bit of throttle this time. Oh. Don't think it wants to start for a minute. We'll be back. What we're going to do now is we're going to try getting this car started by using a bit of the choke and the throttle. The choke enriches the fuel mixture for anyone that's with modern cars, and most modern cars have electronic choke, so it automatically does it as you start. That's why your revs are slightly higher when you just start an engine. But obviously in an old car it's all a manual choke, so you have to pull that choke out, enrich the fuel mixture a bit, and then slight bit of throttle, and then that should open the throttles itself. As you can see at the moment, it hasn't started, which is exactly what I was expecting it to do. It has been sat there for quite some time. So we're planning on taking the engine out anyway, soon. So when the engine is out, we're going to give it a full overhaul, and we may put some new spicy little parts in it to give it a bit more of a performance. What do you guys think? Drop your answers down in the comments. Do you think we should give it faster cams and a bit more performance underneath when we rebuild it?